Okay, let's play a little bit. Let's play. Public, victims, quick match. I want to play as a victim first. I want to get
by the Slaughter family, tied up, tortured, and left for dead.
Uh-oh.
You must do whatever it takes to escape the family's property at all costs.
All right.
Find your friends. Hunt for life-saving items like tools, bone scrap, and health. But more importantly, locate and open up escape routes before it's too late. The family is hunting, so move quietly and make the right decisions. Your life depends on it. Stay quiet and hidden. Move slowly and carefully. Health items can slow this process, but you can't stop it. Escape.
Alright, bro. I don't need to know all this shit. I'll figure it out. Damn, I even have a chance to choose these. Damn, they picked the nigga quick. Anna. I don't like Annas, so I'm gonna choose somebody else. Julie. So it's either Julie or Connie. Julie or Connie. Proficiency. Toughness. Okay, Julie kind of tough though. I like Julie. I'm gonna pick Julie. I know it took me a minute, but fuck it. And she got the knockers. The chi-chi's showing. Oh shit, she got some fire. This kinda. Was she a little 70s? Do I have anything that I can level up? Skill tree, loadouts. All right, what? Ready up? You readying up now? Ready up, Connie? Connie, ready up! Y'all should be helping me out. Have y'all seen people play this or no? Has anybody in chat seen people play this or no? Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to f with. Alright, unlock the exits. Oh, what I gotta do? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What the f is going on, bro? I can't help you, bitch. Good luck. Get up out. Ah! Victim noise awaken Grandpa. Who the f is Grandpa? Do Grandpa know where I'm at? Oh, I kept moving. Yo, I need to change the settings, I ain't gonna lie. What does this mean, bro? Why this shit glowing like this? I'm dead? What does that mean? Look for the house. Look for the bones that are hanging by the doors. What do the bones do? The fuck? Look out for the bones. Oh, okay. Look out for the bones. Oh, wait. I think that nigga this way. I think one of them niggas that way. I'm going the other way. We're going the other way. Receive bone scrap. How the nigga escape already? That nigga played this shit a million times already. What we do with the bone scrap? RB? What the RB do? What help me run? How I get out of here? Is that how you escape? Is that where you go? Well, I gotta go that way? I think I gotta go that way. What's this? Use fuse box to open. I don't got no damn fuse box, so.
How did this happen? How do people like this happen?
Chat. Oh my gosh, I hear somebody. No! Leave me alone! Please! No! Oh my gosh. No! How I Ugh, you evil. What's the point of staying? I don't know these niggas. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it's easier to run away from the killer shits on here than it is off of what's the shit called? DBD. But like I just didn't know where the fuck I was going. I couldn't even see nothing, bro. I gotta turn the damn brightness up. Can I turn it up? Oh, they have them available now. Sonny? I thought his name was Sony. I mean, but I guess toughness don't really fucking matter when you're getting stabbed up. So let me try out the black dude. Let me try him out. I feel like he like somebody I know, like an actor or something. Am I Connie?
Men, all dressed in plain white clothes.
Why I see her? I thought I was Sony. Sunny. Like, why am I looking at her, bro? They trying to be funny? Okay, bet. Why am I hanging upside down though? The bitch hang up right side up, but I gotta hang upside down? Okay. Why was I making all that damn noise? Oh, brother. I'm not supposed to help her? Nah, she got herself. Open.
What is going on? What are you doing to me?
See where this leads.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm out of here, but I'm figuring shit out this time. Here we go. Oh, so hold it? Why ain't nobody told me to just hold it? Oh, what's up, girl? What's up, girl? She got a mic? Is she talking to me? I think I'll be able to hear if she was talking. Show me where to go, girl. Okay, I'm out of here. We gotta get a low light. Damn, what the fuck is he doing to his body? You telling me somebody got hung? Grandpa got awakened. How does nigga get awake? Oh, so that bitch moved. Somebody go fuck that grandpa up. Oh, shit.
Just keep your head clear. Eyes open. You can do this.
Okay, so this how you hide, I guess. We out there, we sliding around him. Oh, fuck, he got executed. Okay, I'm minding my damn business. I don't know what the fuck going on back there, but we gonna keep on going. You know what I'm saying? You know, I don't know where I gotta go, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure that bitch out. Oh, I can run? Oh, we can run. Yeah, shit, we can run. I mean, I feel like there's no reason to run all the time, though. Like, okay, bone scrap. We actually don't need this. Yo, where is the exit, bro? Like, where the fuck am I going, bro? Hide. Has anyone escaped the basement yet, bro? Last victim standing. What the fuck is going on, bro? And I haven't even got out of the shit yet. Bro. You telling me all them niggas died and I haven't even got out the shit yet? Alright, bro. I got a tool to unlock some shit. Grandpa level 1. Shit, Grandpa level 1, what does that mean? Why would a bitch move when Grandpa was growling and shit? Like, you know the nigga got Alzheimer's? Fuck. Just be quiet. He gonna forget your ass there, please. I don't know why she was screaming, why she was moving around. Where am I going, bro? Like, I don't know if I'm going in a circle or not. Like, Grandpa's going to keep leveling up once he's strong enough. It won't matter where you hide. I was supposed to probably be out by now. The bitch dead? Can I revive her ass? Disconnected. Everybody gone? I can't help that you trash, bitch. Yo, I'm done, bro. Go! Yo, why he always from his fucking feet, bro?
I'm ready.
Oh, this is a different map. Okay, so they're like, okay, I wonder how many maps there are. How many maps is it, chat? Is it a lot of maps or? Nah, bro. Damn, how you get executed already?
It seems quiet.
There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. This is the first time I'm getting the door unlocked, bro.
Okay.
Don't come over here. Please let my friends be okay.
How we get out of here?
Of course. Come on. Think. I think this will help.
Damn, they feeding the hell out of Grandpa now. Damn, that's the first time I got out, bro. Oh shit, I don't know if this nigga sped or he really can't see me, bro. It's not even fucking serious no more, bro. Fuck.
That might help. Keep it together, man. Yo, Leland, you okay?
Pressure gate open. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bitch, I'm gone, bitch. I'm gone, bitch. Look, she trying to get me. I'm gone, bitch. Nah, I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. Jaboba, I hope you get free, Jaboba. I'm sorry, Jaboba, I left your ass. I'm not gonna lie. Girl, keep going, keep going. Keep going, don't stop. Keep going, don't stop. Keep going, don't stop. Fuck Grandpa up. Oh, I'm so sorry, Jaboba. I left Jaboba, bro. Damn, everybody everywhere, bro. Everybody everywhere, bro. Everyone's everywhere, bro. She kinda juking him though. 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 Oh. I'm so sorry, Jaboba.